Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, please Ahmad Faiz to lead the class. Ahmad Faiz, please to lead the prayer first. Please come forward.
Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you Ahmad Faiz. You have a seat, please. Okay, good morning my student.
Morning.
How are you this morning? Fine. I'm also pretty good today. I'm happy today because I can see you again in this meeting. Before we start our lesson today, I want to check your attention, please. You're attending, yeah? Is there absent today? No, yeah? Nobody absent, yeah? So, present all of you, okay? Thank you. And then next, I want to check your tidiness. Please check your under table. Is there rubbish on your under table? Nothing, yeah? Please check around you. Have your shirt is clean. Okay. Please draw the rubbish. Yeah, thank you, Revan. You have seat, please. Yeah. Okay. Before we start our lesson, I want to repeat our meeting last week. What have we studied about? About introduce myself. Yeah, about introduce myself. And then now we are going to study about simple present tense. I will read the tujuan pembelajaran. 1. Siswa dapat mengidentifikasi pola simple present tense dalam contoh kalimat. 2. Menjelaskan mengapa bentuk verb one berubah menjadi s or is. 3. Mengubah kalimat positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. 4. Membuat 5 kalimat tentang kegiatan sehari-hari. Okay. I will give you the LKPD and look this one. After that, I will explain the simple present tense. Look at the paper, please. Simple present tense is a sentence we do every day, yeah, like daily activities. And then what do we do every day? Yeah, like from wake up until sleep again. Okay, do you know subject? Still remember what is subject? What else? The subject? I, you, we, they, she, he, it. That is about subject. And then the formula for simple present tense is subject plus verb one plus object. Okay, I will write on the whiteboard, please. Okay, the formula is subject plus verb one plus object. This is for positive sentence. And then for negative sentence is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one plus object. Interrogative sentence subject plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Okay. Do you know what is verb? Verb kata kerja like read, go, run, write, listen to. That is verb. Object is like read. What do we read? Read a book. Nah, a book is object. Read is verb. So, if we want to make sentence from positive sentence, the subject is I. I read a book. Saya membaca buku. So, how to we change to negative sentence? I do not read a book. Why don't you do or does? Because does is for subject she, he, it. Because I use I for subject, so we use do not. And then how to interrogative sentence? Because I use subject do, so the interrogative sentence is do I read a book? Okay? Now I give example again. This is for subject she. What is she? Dia perempuan. She goes to school. Because the subject she and he, the verb give s or es. Yeah. The normally is go, but subject she, so you use goes. Change to goes. The normally is go and change goes. He goes to school. And then negative sentence. She do or does? Does, because the subject is she. She does not go to school. And then interrogative sentence. Does she go to school? For the negatives and interrogative sentence, the subject she, the verb is back to normally, like no goes but go. Okay? And then I give you verb, five verb, like from you do in daily activities, like listen to. Do you know what is listen to? Listen to, mendengarkan. And then stand up. Do you know stand up? I am stand up. I'm standing up. Yeah, stand up. And then wash. Do you know wash? Wash. Wash. Yeah. Number 4 is walk. Do you know walk? Yeah, good. The last is run. Do you know run? Berlari. Nah, this is verb. Verb. Yeah? Yeah. So, you can change positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. Okay? Okay. From verb 1, listen to. Please make sentence. The subject is I. I listen to. What do you listen? Ya, what do you listen? Apa yang didengarkan? What do you listen? Music. Nah, I listen to music. So, how to change the negative sentence? I listen to music. How do you change the negative sentence? Give the do and not. I do not listen to. Yeah, like that. Okay? Yeah, the interrogative sentence just change. Yeah, because the subject is I, use do or does. I do or does. Does is for subject she, he, it. So if subject I, use do. Do I listen to music. Okay, now write on your textbook, and then I give you 5 exercise. After that, you give with me. You change from positive sentence, negative, and interrogative sentence. Okay, right, please. Is there any question for me? Is there any question for me? Is there any question? Okay, you chance. Chance ya, like this. Like this. You can write positive, negative, and interrogative from 5 verbs I give on the whiteboard. Okay, all been ready. Change positive, negative, and interrogative from 5 verbs I give like this. Yeah, the subject is up to you. One, I, you, they, or she, or we. Yeah, please discuss with your friends. Right, please. The verb. Yeah, and then change from positive, negative, and interrogative. Ready, Dimas? If you want to change the negative, you look the subject. You identity first the subject. I or she. If I, you use do and not. But if subject she, use does and not. Okay. Yes. Let's do it well. Awal, have you do it well? Please write on the paper, and then after that collect to me. Like this. Okay. If you have done it, you can collect to me the exercise, yeah, and then give it on my table. Is there any question? Like wash. What is wash? Mencuci. The object is mencuci. Mencuci apa? Nah, like a plate, piring, that is object. Piring, pakaian, plate, clothes. Nah, that's object. Because the formula is subject, verb 1 plus object. So, if you make a sentence, I wash, that's false. I wash. What do you wash? Understand, yeah? Yeah? Club 2 is good. What? Yes. If all ready, please collect to me until 5 ya. Besti ready? Right first. Yeah. Collect to me ya.
Yes.
Ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Still again. Clap two. Ready? Ready, Dimas? Ready ya? Let's collect it. Ya. Ready? Okay. I hope you have understand about simple present ya. So, I give reflection ya. What is the formula from simple present tense positive? Subject plus verb one plus object. For negative sentence, what is the formula? Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one plus object. For interrogative sentence, do or does plus subject plus verb one plus object. But the simple present tense, if you want to really understand, is from daily activity. So I give you homework at home. Write your activity from you get up in the morning until you sleep again in the night. Okay? Okay? Ready ya? And then do your homework at home. Okay? Maybe enough for now. I say thank you. Thanks for your attention. Please, Ahmad Faiz, lead the prayer and we go home. To go home. Yes. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your time and see you in the next meeting. Bye.